Hey kids, welcome to KBD Toys TV. Today we're going to be unboxing 6 Kinder Egg Surprise. And this is the limited edition Marvel's Heroes Toys. Let's check out and see what's in egg number 1. Let's hope we can collect all 10 of these awesome superhero toys. And it looks like we have Venom, Spider-Man's arch enemy. All right, let's check and see who or what is inside egg number 2. And it looks like we have ourselves an inflatable alligator. All right, boys and girls, let's move on to egg number 3. And it looks like we have ourselves a Spiderman. With Spidey on the scene, Venom doesn't have a chance. Okay, let's see what's in egg number 4. I think I recognize this villain's colors. And it is Green Goblin. Oh no, Spidey, look out. It's gonna be 2 against 1. Let's open up egg number 5 and see if we have another superhero to help Spidey out. I think I recognize that green color. And it looks like we have ourselves the Incredible Hulk. And that's good news for Spidey, 2 against 2. All right, we're on to the last and final egg, egg number 6. Hey, this looks like one of those decoder sticks. With the special red lens, we'll be able to find hidden pictures inside this other picture. Check it out. A quick assembly of the wand. Place it in front of the picture and try to find the treasures. Do you see that turtle? It's inside the flower. I wonder what else we can find. Oh look, there's a snake inside those bushes. Alright guys, that's time's up. Let's take a quick ending photo. And there you have it, kids. Thanks for watching KBD Toys TV. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and leave a comment. And don't forget to check out these other awesome videos. Talk to you later. Bye.